Hello guys! So a couple of weeks ago, we asked you what are some of the design tips that you would like us to share with you. So one of the most requested items was how to select tiles for bathrooms. So I'm so excited because designing bathrooms is one of my favorite things to do. So that's why I'm here at Protein, one of my favorite tile stores, to show you some tips on how to select tiles. So come on, let's go. So we're here at the showroom and I have invited Cindy from Protein, who they are the expert on tiles.
Hi Maca, welcome to Protein. Hi everyone.
Hi Cindy, thank you so much for joining to this video.
Thank you for the invitation. We're very happy to collaborate with you.
So can you please tell everyone who you are and how is your experience on working with me?
Yes, I'm an architectural sales rep here at Protein and I help designers, architects, developers in choosing the materials for their projects. Working with Maca is a pleasure. We always have a lot of fun because she comes in here with a lot of energy and great ideas that I love to develop with her.
So now we're going to show you 3 of the most popular bathroom style trends that we are getting a lot of requests from clients. We're going to share with you some of our design tips and thought process. So join us. Let's go. Transitional style is a combination of contemporary and traditional. So I'm going to show you first, one of my biggest tips to share with you is to select the main floor tile. So for me, that really sets the tone of the bathroom and even for the whole entire house or apartment. So in this case, we have selected these 2 floors as a main floor, and we always like to have the tiles to be matte because of safety, and then bring the gloss, shiny elements on the wall to create a really good balance between matte and gloss.
And then to play a little bit with textures, transitional goes very well with hexagons and this type of shapes. So at the moment that you want to select the mosaics, we can go either with natural stones combination. There are some with gold inserts that make it really elegant. Or we can also analyze the budget of the client and find more cost-effective options that work well with the whole composition.
Because ideally you want to wrap and tile all the bathroom tiles, but if budget doesn't allow it, I will suggest to have one mosaic tile like this, for example, and install it behind the vanity wall. That will create a really cool focal point, and then everything else can be just painted, or you can bring even a wallpaper for the field walls. This transitional style is very popular and we have a lot of requests, and it's really feminine, classic, and timeless. So we're here at the second station, and I'm going to share with you the second most popular styles of bathroom of my clients is the eclectic farmhouse.
Yes, this one has evolved a little bit. It used to be with Cuban tiles. Now porcelain tiles also come with the Spanish look, or Cuban or Mexican. A lot of people call it differently. So there are many options to have fun with this style.
Correct. So these are very bold tiles. So one tip that I suggest is if you're going to have a bold tile like this one on the wall, for example, try to have everything else simple, clean lines. And another tip is to have all the samples together so you can see and visualize how all the tiles and pattern, color works together.
Something that goes very much with this style is the subway tile, the use of subway
classic
tile. So there are many different options nowadays to choose from. There is the glossy or with pattern. There is some that resemble wood.
So the most important part of this style is that you have fun with it and a design that brings you warmth and joy. So the most popular and requested style in Miami is the contemporary style for bathrooms. This is a perfect definition of less is more.
For the contemporary style, we usually see the request for marble looks. Nowadays, you can use porcelain, which is it's cost effective, there's no maintenance, durable, And the combination with the concrete look, it's also seen a lot in the contemporary style.
Now, a big tip that I want to share with you is when you're selecting tiles, always have the tiles close to natural lighting or different lights. Tile will always change depending of the lighting. So that's a big tip to remember. And if you want to add some warmth on the bathroom, we recommend to bring some wood as an accent tile, because contemporary can be very cold if you don't mix those materials the way they should be. So Cindy, tell me, which is your favorite style?
That's really difficult to pick just one because I enjoy working on all of them. It really depends on the style of the house.
Yes, I fall in love with all the styles of my clients, but the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy the process.
Yes, and that is why I would like, as an incentive, to offer you and your clients a promo code, which is here, for your next purchase.
Thank you so much, and thank you guys for joining us in this video of how to select tiles, and stay tuned for our next video.
Bye.